Hey, aloha, and thanks for joining me. I am leaving Lahaina town. I am headed up country. Come along with me. Let's go. We're going to have a fun day. Aloha again. Thank you for joining me. I am here along Highway 30. I'm actually headed back toward Kahului. I'm here at Kapalua Beach. Hey, let me tell you, today is Friday, July 24th. This island is a little bit crazy. All of Hawaii is crazy. Our COVID cases are going up. We've had another death or two. And then we've got that hurricane, Douglas, headed our way. I call that hurricane COVID cane. Okay, COVID cane. Hey, it is crazy here on Maui, but I am headed up country. I'm going first right now to the winery. So come on, I'm gonna be driving for a while, shoot a little bit, but I'm glad you're coming along with me. I'm gonna zip up country for a while, then get back to Lahaina town. I need to get some sandbags made for my turtle store, the Thirsty Turtle, and also get ready for this hurricane. But now, we're headed up country. See Haleakala ahead? That's where I'm headed. I am headed up that volcano, Haleakala. We're headed to the winery. This is Kapalua Wayside Park, a big stretch of beach here along Highway 30 as I'm headed toward Kahului. Here's the whale lookout coming up soon. Great place to look at whales during whale season. And look at that view of Haleakala. Today would have been a great day to go to the summit at Haleakala. Look, there's no clouds up there. No clouds at all, so the sunrise was spectacular. All right, let's keep headed to Kahului. Taking a right here on Highway 36, the Hana Highway. Hey, take a look at all those rental cars over there. Thousands of rental cars here at the airport. This is the same road you take if you're going out to Hana. Also, if you're going to head up to Haleakala, either for the sunrise, the sunset, this is exactly the way you'll go. Folks, it is 9:35. Let's see how long it'll take me to drive directly to the winery. I don't know how long it'll take, but I'm going straight to the winery first. Let's go. All right, take a right on Highway 37, and we're headed up the hill in Haleakala out to the winery. Come on, man, I can't wait to get some wine, Maui-made wine. I love this view. Man, this is an awesome view of Haleakala. Look how clear it is. It is so clear today. Hey, Pukalani is to the right. Makawao, the cowboy town, is to your left. Up ahead will be the turn to go up to Haleakala. We're just headed to the winery. Going up to the summit at Haleakala, you'll follow that sign and turn left. We're up on Kula Highway and we're going on out to the winery. Can't wait to get a glass of wine. This is Kula Country Farms. That's the Kihei Wailea area right there below us. There's several places to pull over, kind of a lookout. What you're seeing there is the big island of Kaho'olawe. And over to the right, that little guy, that's Molokini. Good place to go snorkeling. A lot of tour boats used to go out there, but aren't going out there at the moment. Let me panorama here, move around. There's Lanai, and there's the West Maui Mountains with the wind turbines. So we're up, I don't know, 3,000 feet, 4,000 feet. I don't think we're that high. Really cool up here. I am coming up on Ulupalakua Ranch. The Ulupalakua General Store is right here to the right, and the winery is over there to the left. I hope it's open. I did check and see. Here I am at the Maui Winery. Maui wine, established in 1974. I was told on the website they open at 10. But no, the gentleman just told me they open at 11 a.m. Folks, I'm going to walk over here to Ulupalakua Ranch Store, the general store. It's open. Maybe get something to drink, get a sandwich or something for breakfast. A little late for breakfast, but that's okay. I'm going to walk over there and show you that, and then I'll come back at 11 for the winery here.
The boutique store as well, so.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so glad you came today.
I just want a venison burger with avocado. I'm waiting on my venison burger with avocado, and I got a made on Maui Island root beer. Here is my venison burger with my Maui made island root beer. I've got Swiss cheese on it and a side of avocado. Man, let's take a taste of a venison burger. Man, the meat tastes really good. This is a great burger. All right, time to leave Ulapalakua Ranch store. Man, that was an excellent venison burger. I am going to walk over to Maui Wine. Looks like it's finally open. All right, here we are at Maui Wine. All right, let's go inside and look at the store and buy some wine. Gotta have some Maui wine. Good, good, thank you. Not only taste some, but buy some. So I'll do the Maui Blanc Pineapple, the Kula White Blend, and the Malay Red Blend. $14, $16, $17. That's a good mix. Yeah. I think that's gonna get it. Let me get you a... All right, I got my 3 bottles of wine and 1 turtle, kind of a coaster, goes in the wine bottle. Kind of keeps it fresh. Hey folks, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the Maui Winery, Ulapalakua Ranch store. Hey, I need you to be flexible with me. I think I better head back to Lahaina town. A little bit worried about this hurricane headed our way. I promise you, next week I'll come back up here to the winery and I'll give you my half-day tour, which includes the Ali'i Lavender Farm, Surfing Goat Dairy, the Ocean Vodka Distillery and their, farm. Also, we'll head over to Makawao, our cowboy Paniolo town, then head down to Paia and out to Ho'okipa Beach. I'll do that next week. It's a half-day tour. I got to show it to you.